the Nash Boat Life 240 and 280 inflatable boats. The Boat Life inflatable range combines unrivaled handling and stability with practical functional features, meeting all demands from stealth undercover baiting operations to dropping rigs at extreme range on the most demanding venues. A toughened 0.9mm base and 0.7mm PVC tubes ensure strength, while the inflatable V-shaped keel and internal air deck supplied as standard provide increased stability and a solid base. The Boat Life inflatable range performs in even the harshest environments and the most challenging conditions. 3 extra thick additional rubber strips on the sidewalls offer additional protection against damage when mooring alongside concrete structures or natural banks. And a reinforced oar-lock section also prevents unwanted wear. Available in 2 models, the 240 and the 280. Both models also feature black aluminium oars, black wooden seats, a PVC reinforced anchor point, heavy-duty paracord grips, an improved drain plug design to prevent loss, and overpressure security valves to prevent overinflation. Both models also come supplied with a foot pump, a puncture repair kit, and a handy carry case. The Nash Boat Life 240 and 280 inflatable boats.